Give her some juice, bro. What did you do to my car?
She tryna fuck my gang up. Been saving the syrup for later. Whip out the bitch like paper. House and stage, you know I'm a payer. How about the bitch on the mortgage? Sipping that syrup is foreign. Bitch don't tell me I'm boring. We suit him in black, not orange. You with the house, you were foreign. I told that bitch seen that before. I think I'ma pay up my mortgage. I go fuck, I'm gonna kick out.
What is good, y'all? It's been a long time. I haven't been on the videos in a while, but hey, that's alright. Today, we are installing the headers on the C7. That thing's gonna scream. But my boy K about to pull up. He got the C8. Y'all about to meet him too. And we're gonna do some polls, get a little before and after of the sound on that thing, and go from there, man. I mean, I'm excited for these headers to get put on. Found him. Damn. Oh, it's happening. What do y'all think that is? Oh no, Camo. This bitch is gonna scream. This bitch is gonna scream. Woo! Brody got the C8. The C8 versus the C7. I'm winning that race though, low key. Bro, know how to park though. Hey, give her some juice, twin. Woo! Woo! Damn, son. Damn. So we need a little cold start action. This is a little before. Hold up. This is the first time starting it today. Now it's time for when the headers get put on. That shit dirty. Now it's playing. But yeah, you get the gist. That shit gonna sound way too good, bro.
Can you see it? So I emailed them, I said,
now imagine with the headers now. Imagine with the headers now. That shit's gonna be insane. Alright. This shit nice as fuck, bro. Got the engine bay back there. Damn. I need this shit, bro. I need this shit, bro. Apple CarPlay and all that.
Ray, don't forget postscript.
And you got the lights down there, bro. That shit hard. With the red. Hey, say what's good. Say what's good. Introduce yourself, bro. They haven't met you yet, bro.
I'm you know, K. Just be coolin'.
Hey, what you do, K?
Scam and shit.
How can you afford this car, K?
Shit. Sell drugs to the right people, bro. You got to do it like me. Sell drugs to the right people.
Sell drugs to the right people, bro.
Nah, I'm playing. Nah, but you gotta work hard. You know what I'm saying?
Grind, just like the damn brakes. Hey, that shit hard though, bro.
You gotta grind, bro. It's a start. Coming harder.
Hey, he said lamb truck next.
And he said C8 next.
Hey, I'm hitting the C8 soon, bro. You already know. You already know. I need that shit. I was just showing him the video. I was inside your interior. I was like, I need this shit. I need this shit. But yeah, we gotta
get blue on blue, bro.
What?
Blue on blue. You
bro.
can't get blue on red. Like
blue on red or blue on blue. Leave a comment type shit.
Blue is like blue interior is like not common.
That's true. Yeah, but the blue and red though.
Come on, let's get her collar on.
She's harassing the dog.
Oh, stop. Nice to meet you.
She's harassing the
I'm
dog.
glad Corey's making me feel really good right now.
Oh my god.
Gosh. Olive, you don't have your collar on. Come on.
She gripping the fuck.
Corey, stop it.
We finna pop out. Hey, follow me, gang. I don't know how well you can hear me or see me, Jesus. But, oh, there goes Camo. Thinking he fast and shit. We gotta get some poles in this house, see if you can hear me. She sound nasty. It's low before and after though. I don't know how well you can hear it. Let me roll up the windows. roadie out there. Let me hear something. Ooh, she sound good. Yeah, y'all, I'm sorry that I haven't been making the videos and shit. I'm sure y'all haven't really noticed, but I'm trying to get back into it. And I got a lot of new shit coming up. I'm buying a house soon and just doing stuff with that. So you're gonna see the full view of that when I get it and everything. And I'm trying to get back into it because, you know, the sun's out, you know, we out. Yeah, this is the first video back with the exhaust. Go Cam, if you get, you know, this video is gonna be a little short one, just doing a little before and after, putting the headers on. I'm sorry again for not making vids. I've been hella busy, like crazy. I've been just at work selling hella cars and shit. Today's my day off, so y'all get a video, and then I'm gonna start making more, y'all, because I love doing this. This is really my passion, and I hope y'all enjoy. Please leave a like, subscribe, do all that shit, because I enjoy making these videos, and I want to be able to make a bunch more for y'all. So, but follow my TikTok too, because that's where I post all my like car sales content and everything. YouTube's gonna be more so just me and my car stuff and just my everyday life stuff and doing fun stuff and all that good jazz. But yeah, make sure you leave a like, follow, subscribe. Follow my Instagram too. I'm gonna post more on there, and especially follow my TikTok. I'm leaving all the links in the description. So after you watch this video, go look at those links and click a couple buttons, because that makes my day. And yeah, I really appreciate it. Woo. All right, we made it to the exhaust shop, boys. Gotta get them hose out of there. My boy Bruce about to do them for me. And we gotta get them headers right, bro. But yeah, about to drop the car off. You already know, baby. About to get them tunes done, boy. And the headers. I'm excited. All right, y'all. Say bye to my baby. Say bye to my baby. She looks so good. Oh, I haven't even shown you all the chrome tints on her yet. Look how nice they look. But yeah, headers are going on. They're over here. Got 2 big boxes of it. Shit cost me way too much. But yeah, that thing is gonna scream. So y'all saw the before, we'll just wait till the after. Follow my boy K on Instagram at slowc8.
Fiesta tacos.
Finsta is slowc8. Hit his shit up. Oh shit. Bro, I need this shit, bro.
You want to eat tacos?
Yeah, I'll get some tacos. Dude. There's my baby. Damn, he whipped this shit though. He don't give a fuck. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Damn. 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 Shit. Why did you do that? Bro whip a $90,000 car like it's a fucking Honda Civic. What the fuck? Okay, so we gotta hit the post office. Out the front. This is what he mean by drug dealing. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. All the packs. All the packs. Yeah. Yeah. Had to drop the packs off, bruh. Bro, you gotta show the people what they want, you know what I'm saying? They sitting over here wondering how this motherfucker got a C8. You just want to tell me you sell drugs and shit. Hey, what do you gotta say? You know what I gotta say? Shop, play, benchy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, link is in the description. Cop you some play benchy. You gonna tell them to cop?
Cop you some play benchy, man.
Hey, you heard the man. Cop some play benchy. Yo.
Hey, yo, this nigga.
Yo.
This is Rico. Sorry, I throw shit everywhere around now.
Dude. Is the key already in there? Jeez.
Yeah.
About to fire up for the first time, boys.
Driver Rico Ezreal. That's his truck.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh yeah, how are you?
First start. juice, bro. What did you do to my car? I'll let you back her out of here, but god damn. I can't believe this shit. Did y'all hear that shit? Oh my god. Sorry, I'm in my work uniform. Pull up to any more Kia, get a car from me, but oh my god. Oh my lord. She's chopping, Craig. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, I had to record the first startup of me, my first reaction. Dude, this is amazing. Holy shit. But I'll record some more pulls in a little bit. But oh my god, I love it so much. I'm so happy.
Pulled the exhaust over.
What's that?
Which I had to pry it over before I
Did ya?
tightened it up. Because it was fucking so far off.
Well, here's under the whip, y'all.
That's what happens with these speed engineers.
Got the X pipe in there. Ooh. Headers, no cats. That's a good looking C7 right there. Look at that X pipe. That's tight. That's awesome. That shit goes all the way back. No cats. All the way back. Look at those tips. Oh my gosh. Stick out, dude. That's awesome. What you doing, Cam? Look at this race truck. It's the Hellbelly Special. This isn't a cold start, but this bitch sound mean. All right, Cam, give her some. Give her a little bit. All right, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good, dude. Here I am. All right, enough. 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 Get out. Get out. Who let this dude in the car? Who let him do it? Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. I've never been so in love with a car before. Holy. We about to get some little action in this thing. I'll give her some juice and stuff. All right, bet. You ready? Woo! I don't know how well y'all hear that, but from my perspective, it sounds amazing. All right, I'm dropping her in manual mode. Woo, little downshifts. Woo. Yeah, so I'm in love. I am absolutely in love. So my boy Bruce hooked me up with the headers. We did this is all we did to it. So we did headers, intercooler, X pipe, and took my actives off. What else did I do, bro? I think that's it, honestly. But it don't take. Oh, and I did tune. So it don't take much to make this car just absolute horsepower. It's definitely pushing over 5 now. To the crank, not to the wheels though. That's coming later. But hey, we're pushing. Hey, put it on yourself. Tell him what you think, bro.
I know, I don't do that.
Camo don't like being on camera. He's a little shy. He's a little shy guy over here. Hey, tell me in the comments, do you think this dude look like me? He's my mini me. It's all right, twin.
I want to see